Ahoy there, captains. It's Captain Party Pants here with you once again. Sunday FUNDAY. I haven't played around with the German destroyer class in a while. Let's see what's up. Full circle. Oh, that's helpful. Well, the more you know. Hey, we're loading in already. It seems okay. Ring. Oh my gosh. One of my cats is sitting writing on the TV. Oh, so that could have been loaded in already. Yeah, one of my cats is sitting right on the TV in front of my buttons. So like this is gonna be a Wild West show, I think. Okay. We do have I'm one of 2 destroyers, so that's important. We do have carrier to help spotting. I think I'm spawned center, but I think I'm gonna circle to A. Oh, baby Phoenix. Beautiful ship. Get a skin on her. Oh boy. Yeah, let's circle over here and hope for the best. I don't know. Gosh, we had a family gathering, extended family gathering with Holly's family yesterday, and we got there at like 1, and we left at 4:30, and I was eating the entire time. Oh man, I'm feeling it today. Like I just, bloated. But it was great food, great food. Okay, we got a bad guy over here. We got a couple of bad guys. We got a couple of bad guys. That'd be really neat. I don't want to give away that I'm in. Okay, I think they've got a destroyer that went real wide. And that this guy's gonna. Oh, it might eat a couple torpedoes. Oh, mamacita. Oh, are you gonna let me down? I don't think you are. I think we're gonna get a first blood here. Oh, baby, yeah. 1, 2, first blood. Oh, wonderful. I love this game. Dev Strike. You betcha. But that enemy destroyer's right there. Now he's probably in cap. How? Okay, I've been spotted. So we're gonna hit engine boost and go to where I think they are. Yep. There you are, V170. Yeah, saved by the engine boost. Saved by the engine boost. I'll hit the smoke. We've actually got 2 bogeys. We've got 2 bogeys over here. Oh my goodness. Okay. Come on, get around here. Yeah, we're just gonna throw those out. I hit the wide on there because I think it'll be a little funnier when I hit, if I get a hit. I'm knife fighting with 2 bogeys though here at Alpha, and it's a lot of fun. You guys we got first blood, but they've evened the score 1-1. spotted by air. That sucks. Ooh. Big ol' Kaiser right there, and I've got about an answer for him. There we go. Oh my gosh, oh, Acosta. Come on, baby. Turned in on me just a hair.
Concentrate fire.
I'm gonna get the heck out of there, and so are they.
Torpedos auf Steuerbord.
Where? Okay.
Maschinenboost deaktiviert.
Man, I'm a leaf on the wind today. Had to say it. I'm gonna damage control party that because I'm an idiot. How am I still spotted?
Feueralarm. Problem gelöst.
There we go. Now we're good. For the love of Pete. I'm gonna eat one and eat a fire on one of these. You just wait.
Torpedos auf Steuerbord.
Uh-oh. Oh, thank goodness.
Torpedos auf Steuerbord.
What a day. Looks like that Kaiser's gonna go down here momentarily. Got 20 seconds to wait. Wonder if I can go Verbis Unitas? Unitas? I don't know. What I need to do is get lucky with some of these danged old probably had to end.
Feueralarm.
Ah, just shoot at the beach, why don't you? Ow, 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 ow. Ow, ow, ow.
Problem gelöst.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
Yeah, my friends. I could use a little assistance. Yep, I've lost steering. Which is just a wonderful thing.
Kritischer Maschinenschaden.
Come on, be there. Ah, I took out the propeller. Beautiful. Nice. We're up 3-2, but I think I'm going to go down here in just a half tick. Come on, B-170. Go, go, go. Run. Ah, started a fire, but they damaged control part. Good GG. GG. I could have played better, I think, but I don't know. I required a lot of assistance, and I don't think I should have. Anyways, let's hop into another one. Let's do some big guns. Let's do some big guns. Let's hop in the Nagato. Let's get slapped around. I haven't been able to make her work for me. Still working on it. We're loading in. Nice. Crash zone. Okay, I'm spawn center. We've got 3 destroyers evenly dispersed. So, gosh, do I kind of angle? I think I want to angle. I don't know. I'll see what my destroyer friend wants to do and kind of go about that. Decent. Let's go. Princess Party Time and I have been kind of hankering for some chicken salad sandwiches recently. We're like, oh, cool. We'll get some at the store. It's gone up in price significantly. Like, it's bananas. Like, 2 sandwiches worth is like $12. Yeah, so we ended up getting our own chicken breast, and Princess Party Time is in the kitchen right now making chicken salad. Everything's better homemade anyways, right? And everything she cooks is awesome. Okay, that's cool. Yeah, I like this line that I'm kind of in. That way I can provide crossfire support to sea and maybe kind of cover a little bit of my broadside. However, I don't know. Gosh. I don't want to race too far in. Been spotted. Okay, destroyer right there, my friend. Straighten up my act. Pard. Ooh, baby. Ooh, baby. Oh. That Fuso might show me a little broadside. Oh, baby, get down, get down, get down, get down, get down. Unlucky. Still a nice, decent tickle. Oh, shoot, there it is right there. Synop's a tough ship. Oh, you're in no man's land right there. French destroyer. French cruiser, excuse me. I think I'm going to leave on the win that. Oh, no. You're not moving? Gosh, these slow turrets. But I want to escape because I think they're going to... Oh, right there.
All stations, reporting the position of a street.
Yeah, it's the thought that counts. Crap. Okay. It looks like that destroyer went down too. Okay, the trade was even here at Cap Bravo. That's really good. Mexico. Nice. Fuso goes down. Come on. Make you pay for that. Oh, baby. Look at that dispersion. It's a beautiful thing. It's tie game 2-2. I see that destroyer on my minimap kind of circling in for the kill.
Concentrate fire on the target.
Okay. Looks like we're probably gonna end up eating a bunch of... Man. That dispersion really let him down. Oh boy. Oh gosh.
Concentrate fire on the enemy warship.
There you are. Eat them alive, secondaries. Eat them alive. Eat them alive. Come on. Do the work. Do the work. Do the work. I think probably only gonna get one shot at this. There they go. There they are. Come on. Pick out the steering. Am I gonna leaf on the win this again? Oh, my friend. Are you in trouble now? And you beached. Oh, this is beautiful. Secondaries, do the work. Oh my gosh, it's getting embarrassing. And they had to pop smoke. Come on, secondaries, don't let him get away. This is bananas. Another hit. Well, let's go get him. Wow. What a game. This player is so disappointed in their play, I bet. It happens. I should have been remembered after the last shot to swap to HE, but I was so excited. Okay, there you are. There we go. Oh man, this white knuckle throw rides, guys. I tell you what, all the time, white knuckle throw rides. I can't believe. Oh man, that one's going in the highlight reel for sure. Man. Let's get this cap. Get these guns pointed in an okay direction. Good fight. That was fun. Oh man, I bet you're so disappointed. I would be. That would be something I'd do. Goof up that torpedo toss like that. Yeah. Well documented on my channel. Full reavers. Dallas is in range. Are you stopping? Yeah, I thought it looked like you were slowing down maybe. I don't know. Speed up. Wow, big whiff. Big whiff. Ay. My wonky eye again. Well, acting up on me. Ooh, Connecticut. Who's giving me the best shot? We're headhunting now. Ooh, Synop's going down. I don't want to. I just use that heal, why not? Really not cool. That New Mexico's big guns are looking right at me. I might get deleted here. Of course, that Connecticut's not you know, they're all eyeballing me, I think. Oh boy. Good. Maybe, hopefully, maybe share some paint. My dispersion is awful. Maybe I need to build into that. And I hopped in front and they weren't armed. Oh my goodness. Ooh, I think we're gonna get to see a torpedo smash here. It's about the visuals anymore. This is a good game. Played. Yep. Nice. That Dallas still float. Oh. Good game. Oh man. Hey, at the top. That's neat. I got time for one or two more, so let's. Gosh, do we grind some low tier? Some low tier carrier play? I feel like it's really boring to watch, but it's part of the grind, and it is fun. I do enjoy it. We can continue in the Ryu, whatever, however you pronounce that. Ryuho? Ooh. Sure. Well, New Dawn. New Dawn. Okay, we've got 2 destroyers to hunt down, and let's just load out with the torpedoes. We got really lucky starting with those last time. Yep, good luck. One of our destroyers is spawn center, so silly old guess. There's one of theirs spawn center too, so I'm just gonna go straight. And not forget to drop my fighter cover. Because the fighter cover in these IJN does work. Does work. I don't know if there's some kind of upgrade or whatever for it that I've got, but neat. Okay. What do I have here? Ship smasher. Already spotted over there. And ship smasher are gonna go looking for destroyers. Let's look for some. Yeah, got 2 planes down. I wonder if they went around the other way. Got another one. Well, I'm just gonna get a run in while I can. Got 4 planes down. Might have overcooked the one. Nope. I got 2 hits. That's cool. Oop, there's a destroyer right over there, the Benson. Let's go get him. Wonder where that other one went. know if that actually made it out or not, but I'm coming.
All stations requesting fire on the designated target.
You betcha. A bit underwhelming, to be honest with you. Nice, Pensacola goes down. We got smokes. Okay, so let's just get a run in here, and then in my next run with my torpedoes, I'm gonna throw it through that smoke and see if I can't get lucky. Yeah. Okay, the Benson must have got chased out of the smoke, so let's go. I think we're gonna lose that battleship over there in Tennessee. Oh man. McKen's and secondary's hurt, I'll bet.
A todas las unidades, transmito la posición de un objetivo estratégico.
What? There we go. Kepler goes down. I don't think I led that far enough, actually.
Reporting the target position.
Yeah, I goofed it. Let's get another run before I run out of gas.
Concentrate fire on the designated target.
I might get him. I miss again. I suck again. I'm coming. Not that these are gonna do anything. These bombs kind of suck, to be honest. We got a beaching. Watch me miss. I did indeed miss. For the record.
Nice work.
Nice, yeah, looks like we are gonna win this one. Uh-oh. We're kind of in a precarious spot, actually, now that I'm looking at the map. Because this is captured base. Actually, no, I don't need to do that. They're chasing down that Polaris. Oh, we're already in their cap. I didn't even notice that. Good game. Where is that enemy destroyer at? Oh my god, they're within our... Right there. So, we're gonna move unexpectedly. Where's they at? Right there? Yeah. Oh gosh, you gonna one-shot me? Yeah, good game. I mean, we won, ultimately. But... I should have been active. I should have not just sat there, I guess. I should have assumed that they were gonna go wide. Whatever. Good game. Looks like we're gonna take the W. Yeah, middle of the road, average town. That's where we linger. All right, let's just see what we got in our container really quick. Hey, 2 and 1. And on that note, my friends, thank you Twitch followers, YouTube subscribers. I have been Captain Party Pants, signing out for now.